My name is Shah. I'm a psychology student. Okay, previously Doctor mentioned that Allah is God, and not just for the Muslims but also for the non-Muslims, for the blacks, for the whites, as Doctor quoted earlier. So, okay, I can accept that Allah is God for everybody. But there was an incident a few years ago on this date called September 11, when there were two towers which were filled with American citizens. I would presume that they were of the Christian faith, these American citizens. And these two towers were knocked down by an aeroplane which was hijacked and controlled by, from what I have heard, controlled by Muslims. So in that sense, what I see is that the brother is killing the brother. And I just want to know what Doctor has to say about that.
Sister has asked a very good question, referring to 9/11, September 11, just passed away a couple of weeks back, that the Twin Towers was there, it was knocked down by a plane, there were majority Christian in it, knocked down what she heard, and she's very clear, mashallah. She heard that Muslim controlled the plane. Sister, till now, it's only a hypothesis. It's a hypothesis that Muslims were there. It was 19 Arabs who hijacked the plane and they banged on the Twin Towers. According to 75 scientists, American, all of them Christian, according to 75 American scientists and professors, if you have seen the documentary Loose Change is a documentary made by a young American. He takes interviews, and these 75 scientists and professors say that we cannot ever believe that 19 Arabs can hijack a plane and knock into the Twin Towers. It is an inside job done by the White House. White House, you know White House? Now, I hear everything. I'm hearing from the news, Arabs have done it. I'm hearing from news that Muslims have done it. They found the passport of an Arab in the plane crash, which burned the pillars and all the iron rods, but did not burn the passport of the Arab. So someone wrote that next time they should make the army suit of the Americans in that passport material. I've given a full lecture on is terrorism Muslim or not. I want to be in the country today. Statistics that they had an interview with the person who made the Twin Towers. He said that it's impossible that the fuel of the plane can melt the Twin Tower. And if you see the photograph, it was the Twin Tower came in stages as though there were bombs planted in advance. There are many hypotheses. For example, there's a boy who's speaking on the mobile. Mother, I am Mark Binham. I am Mark Binham speaking. Point to be noted at that time in 9/11, 2001, more than 10 years back, mobile could not reach that level. Point number one. Point number two, when a son speaks to the mother, why will he say Mark Binang? When I will speak to my mother, I'll say Zakir. I'll not say I'm Zakir Naik speaking. When I speak to my mother, I'll say I'm Zakir. I'll not say Zakir Naik. So what you realize, they are trying to make a story and blame. And that person on the mobile told the mother that it was Muslims. So all these documentaries you see, Loose Chain, Fahrenheit, many documentaries. If you ask me who did it, I would say I don't know. But as a logical person, the logical proof of Loose Change is much more logical than the proof given to me by the American government. And then they want to attack Afghanistan. Afghanistan give me proof, they want to give proof to Musharraf. Why? And I speak so openly. Westerners believe in freedom of speech, but they don't like my talk. So what they do, then prevent me to enter in the country. I'm telling you, let's have a dialogue. As far as the question is concerned, who did it, keep it aside. I know that there were more than 3,000 human beings who were killed in Twin Towers. If you want the Islamic answer, as I mentioned in my talk, as per Surah Maida, chapter number 5, verse number 32, if anyone kills any other human being, unless it be for murder or for spreading corruption in the land, it is as though he has killed all of humanity. So whoever did the Twin Towers, whoever did it, whether it was inside job, whether American did or Muslim did, whoever did it, it is wrong, prohibited, haram, I condemn it. You tell Muslim did, I don't know. Whoever did it, whether Muslim or non-Muslim, American, X, Y, Z, whoever did, more than 3,000 Americans were killed. Even if there were non-Americans in it, it is a haram. I also go on to say more than 50 people were killed in the tube blast of London. In London tube blast, some say 52, some say 54. So I say more than 50. Where more than 50 people were killed, I condemn it. In Bombay, where there were train bomb blast in 2006, more than 180 people were killed. I condemn it. But I don't put a full stop there. I also say that I condemn the thousands of innocent people killed in Afghanistan, in Palestine, in Iraq.